Hi everyone! Do you know what the difference between there is and there are? So today we are gonna be learning about the difference between there is and there are, and I believe it's gonna be how you use these phrases in a sentence. And when we use these phrases, it depends on the noun that will follow after the expressions or the phrases, and it can be a singular noun or a plural noun. So now let's see how and when we use these phrases in sentences. So there is and there are phrases that used to indicate the existence of something. They are used depending on whether the object is singular or plural. Let's see about there is first. So we use there is to talk about a singular noun, or when we want to refer to one thing or a noun. So here is the structure. There is can be followed with a singular noun, or it can be followed with an uncountable noun. Let's see first about there is with a singular noun. There is a cat in the room. There is a cat in the room. There is an eagle in the cage. There is an eagle in the cage. Next, let's see there is followed with an uncountable noun. There is some water in the bottle. There is some water in the bottle. There is some milk in the fridge. There is some milk in the fridge. So water and milk both are uncountable noun, and uncountable noun commonly treated as singular noun. That is why you use there is when there is a uncountable noun in your sentence. So there is follow with uncountable noun. Let's see another example for using there is. There is a cat in the room. There is a cat in the room. Next one. There is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. Next one. There is a park near my house. There is a park near my house. Another example is there is a cat in a room. There is one dog in the room. There is an egg on the plate. So please bear in mind the expressions in color a, 1 and n, A and N are the article, and 1 is like a number, singular number, and we use this article before a singular noun to express about the singular noun. A, N, and 1 are a signpost to indicate singular noun. Now let's see phrase there are. So we use there are to talk about plural noun, or when we refer to more than one thing or one noun. Okay, so let's see the structure when we use the there are. There are is followed with the plural noun. Let's see the example for these phrases. There are 3 chairs. Indicate in the room. More than one. 3 indicate more than one. So the noun should be with s, of course. There are 3 chairs with s in the room. Next one, there are some apples on the table. Some apples with s, that indicate the plural noun, so we should use there are. Let's see another example. There are 2 cats in the room. There are 2 cats in the room. Next one. There are many books on the table. There are many books on the table. There are several parks in the city. There are several parks in the city. So the expressions, if you follow the previous example, or here I write it again. There are 2 cats. There are many books. There are several parks. So 2, many, and several are the expressions or words that can be a signpost for plural noun. So we use these words or expressions to many, several, or some with plural nouns, which is the noun should be with s. Okay, so here is the summary for the difference and how you use there is and there are in a sentence. So let's see there is. There is. We use there is to talk about a singular noun or when we refer to one thing. The structure of there is can be followed with singular noun. For example, there is a book on the table. Or the next structure is there is with uncountable noun. Example, there is some water in the bottle. Let's see there are. There are, we use these expressions to talk about plural noun or when we refer to more than one thing. The structure will be there are plus or follow with plural noun. Example, there are 3 chairs in the room. There are some apples on the table. So 3 chairs and some apples. Chairs and apples follow with an s, so they are plural noun. That's why we use there are at the beginning of the sentence. Right, so that's all for the difference between there is and there are. Well, if you like this video, please put a comment, like, and share this video with other of your friends so they can have the same knowledge as you are. Right, that's all for now. Thank you very much, everyone. See you and bye.